Welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. We are at vocabulary development section and our target vocabulary is HSK level 1. What is HSK? I think no need to tell you guys. It's a 汉语水平考试. It's an exam for Chinese proficiency. Anyways, we are at day 7. Let's go through quickly what we have already studied up till now in previous 6 days. Just a quick review.
第一天的生词：我、我们、你、你们、他、他、他们、这、那。第二天的生词：家、爸爸、妈妈、哥哥、弟弟、姐姐、妹妹、男朋友、女朋友。第三天的生词：儿子、女儿、漂亮、老公、老婆、老板、老师、认识。第四天的生词：先生、小姐、医生、医院、学生、学校、学习、同学。第五天的生词：大、小、小狗、小猫、很好、不太好、有、没有、爱。第六天的生词：开、来、去、读、看、听、说、吃饭、睡觉。
Alright, now we are going to today's work, day 7. Today's first word is 书 书 书 Please be precise with the tone. 书 that means book. Number 2, 电影 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 means movie. Number 3, 电视电视电视电视 means TV, television. Number 4, 电脑电脑电脑 means computer. Number 5, 电话电话电话电话 means telephone. Now we got 4 words with 电 电影 that means movie, 电视 that means TV, 电脑 that means computer, while 电话 that means telephone. Number 6, 杯子杯子杯子杯子 means cup. Number 7, 桌子桌子桌子桌子 means table. Number 8, 椅子椅子椅子 means chair. So 桌子 means table and 椅子 means chair. 桌子椅子 means table and chair. Okay, number 9, and the last word of today's lecture, that is 东西东西东西东西 means things. This is all from today's lecture. Let me quickly repeat the words which we have studied today. Please listen carefully. 书电影电视电脑 电话，杯子，桌子，椅子，东西。Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and share with others. And see you guys tomorrow. 明天见. That means see you guys tomorrow on lecture 8. 再见.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.